Ever felt disconnected from the world around you? Taoism, an ancient philosophy, holds the key to harmony. Picture this, finding tranquility by syncing with nature's flow. That's Taoism in action. It's about embracing life's dualities, yin and yang, to achieve a profound balance within yourself and the world. By following the Tao, you can discover inner peace, letting go of stress and ego. Stressed out by life's demands? Enter Wu Wei, the art of effortless action. Imagine navigating life's currents without resistance. Wu Wei, a core Daoist principle, encourages going with the flow, reducing stress by acting naturally and effortlessly. It's about embracing the present moment, letting go of the past and future worries to find a deeper sense of contentment. Seeking simplicity in a chaotic world? Taoism might just hold the answer. Embracing simplicity means focusing on life's essentials, decluttering the mind and spirit. Picture this, finding joy in small things, living with gratitude, and accepting change as part of life's rhythm. Taoism teaches us that true richness lies in embracing life's simplicity. Looking for balance between mind and body? Taoism has a holistic approach. It's about nurturing the mind-body connection through practices like Tai Chi and Qigong. These exercises not only promote physical health but also cultivate mental well-being. Imagine finding inner peace through movements that align the body and mind. Ever wondered about life's deeper meaning? Taoism offers a path. It's about more than just philosophy, it's a way of life. Embracing compassion, kindness, and humility creates a profound connection with others. Taoism encourages us to accept change, live mindfully, and find contentment in life's simplest pleasures.